Hi all. And today I have taken one case study that is heart lung machine. That how the heart lung machine had advancement has been made, especially in cardiac pulmonary bypass surgery. So this case study is all about to have a brief outlook on what is all about heart lung machine and how this heart lung machine has been evolved right from the beginning to till date, and what is the great impact of this heart lung machine, and then how it's been played a very important role in hospital. Let's start with what is a heart lung machine. That is the basic one. That is a definition. So heart lung machine, as I told you before, it is a very critical medical device. This heart lung machine is also called as cardiopulmonary bypass machine. So this machine will replace the role of the patient's hearts and lung functions, especially this machine being used during open heart surgery. So because in open heart surgeries, the people, the doctors need to operate on a working function of the heart. It will be very tedious for the doctors to do operation when the heart is pumping or when the heart with blood. So it will be very complicated for the doctors to do surgery. Because of this heart lung machine, since it takes the role of hearts and the function of the hearts and the lungs, and now the heart will be, the patient heart will be with the bloodless. So the doctors will have easy accessible to the heart to have a proper surgery. So that is the main importance or the main significance of having this heart lung machine in the hospitals, right? So this is the overall picture of heart lung machine. See, this is the machine. We have the four chambers, and that means it will take place the take role the and the heart function and also the lung function. We know what is the main function of the heart, right? So the heart it will collect all the deoxygenated blood and it will pump those heart to the lungs, to so that from the lungs the oxygenated blood again it will goes to the heart. From the heart again it will goes into all throughout your body. It will get distributed throughout the body. This both role, that is the pumping of the heart and also the purification of the blood, with these two is the combination of a heart function and the lung function. These two combination function will be take over by heart lung machine. Yes, once again I'm repeating, the heart, what it will do in the sense, it will collect all the deoxygenated blood from the inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, and then it will goes into lungs for get purification. From the lungs again it get into the heart, and then through aorta it will distributed throughout the body, right? So when the people when the doctor need to do surgery in this case means, then it will be very difficult for the patient also, like they feel very discomfort, right? Without disturbing the whole other body function, without disturbing any other organs, without disturbing any other organs, we need to operate we need to do the surgery, we need to operate the heart. uh, it means the heart is the main thing, right? So by means of the heart only the blood is getting distributed all over the other organs, so the other organs keep on functioning in a proper manner. If you are doing operated in such case, in the sense anyway it will get going to disturb with the other organs in some other way, so that the mortality rates of doing cardiac surgery or bypass surgery is higher. So by addressing this particular problem only, the heart lung machine has come into the picture. So this machine, what is going to do, it has oxygenators to oxygenated the impure blood. That means it oxygenated the blood in order to transfer the deoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood, and then it has the different types of pumps. So after oxygenated, again the blood will get pumped back into the aorta. From the aorta again the blood will get distributed all through the body. So because of this machine, the doctors have a very good easy accessible to do even complex surgery at a very proper manner. Yes, so let's see the key developments. How does this heart lung machine have been developed all over these years? It has been initially in 1930. The Zipman heart lung machine is being devised by the scientist Zipman. He is the one introduced the heart lung machine by using the components of rotating drum oxygenator and the roller pump. But it has some drawbacks, like it seems to be very bulky and very hard to transfer from one place to another, and it also have a very limited feature since it is the first one to come into the market. It has very limited safety features. So by addressing this one, then so many scientists they come together over the years 1950 to 1960, and they have focused mainly on to improve the safety of the patient and also the machine. They worked for all these years, and they have brought up again hot lung machine with improvised or enhanced oxygenators and more reliable pumps and advanced monitoring system. Still only they have been focused in safety purpose. They are the machines still found in large in size, that is the bulkiness. And then they are coming to bulkiness part, that is one of the main limitation of heart lung machine, that is bulkiness. In 1970s to 1980s, they have been the scientists, they have been worked on this size aspects. How can we reduce the size so that it will be easy for the users to carry wherever they want, even they can be used on the home also, right? So at last they found that machine, they found the way how to reduce the size, so that they at last they got a compact, portable and user friendly device. Okay, but still even though they have been improved safety aspects, still there is a lag in safety. So in the here the safety is not only the data safety. Here they are saying the safety means anyway we are it is a hot lung machine or external device. When you put these external device on the patient, we can't sure about whether the patient accept this machine. Okay, so there may be some reaction will be happen, that is some bad reaction, that is adverse reaction will be happen. Again it will be like a very a limitation of use. It become very it become very less to be used in the hospitals. That is one of the drawbacks. So that the biocompatible materials, that is biomaterials, come into picture. So that yeah, when this biocompatible, you know what has been biocompatible, these are the materials, it's very matched with patient tissue, so that the tissue will not reject this external device, because it will take it as its own device or own material. So consider as a own material, so it will accept the device, so that will be less adverse reaction will be happen. And also there will be a reduced risk of clot formation. So this is the one kind of innovation of using biocompatible materials. And then the reason we know the technologies have been actually ruling the world day by day. So all this hot lung machine on the any medical device now, they have come into biotelemetry. That is the people will be at one end, and then doctor will be at the other end. The doctor can monitor and prescribe or do any treatment over a long distance. So this heart lung machine also have that technology, by using the recent technology prevailing in the world. They have developed the machine yeah, that has the capability to monitor and control the device parameters from the distance. That is a patient at one end and the doctor will be another end. So this also have this type of medicine, medical device also have a very beautiful features in case of enhancing the precision and also the safety aspects. So these are all overall key developments right from 1930s to till 2020s. What is actually the heart lung machine have actually the heart lung machine is doing? How does it creates an impact on patient lives? That is very important, right? Because this is not something other electronic device. Here this device is we are directly using in medical field. That is a medical device. We are putting this device on a patient lives. So how does it works? What is the real impact of this device? In the sense, these are the 5 points I have listed here. Initially we started with increased survival rates. In that the before what I said before, the survey that the mortality rate of cardiac bypass surgery is very high when they are doing operation or surgery in a live functioning heart, in blood heart, right? So in that case, if you are using this heart lung machine, since it replace the take over the function of hearts and lungs, the heart now will become empty without blood, so the doctors will be easy to operate without any tension or like complexity, right? So that is in this way the doctors also will gain some confidence to do operation, so the success rate will also be increased, so automatically the survival rate also increase. That is a one impact is being given by heart lung machine. Then expanded indication, as I said again, as I said before again, in this type of heart lung machine really helps the doctors to do the surgery with very much confidence and very relaxed manner, so that automatically the doctors will get to know what type of severity of the heart is also having, heart damage also having, so they have very freedom to operate in the heart. So that is the expanded indication. Then patient safety also, since the patient safety before in the case when you are operating in working function of the heart, the patient safety will be in question mark, because if slight deformation or mistake occurs while doing operation or surgery, it anyway is going to affect other organ, other vital function of the body. So that is the other thing, that is the patient safety. And technology advancement, the technology advancements lead this heart lung machine to up to the mark. That means it has a many features like in safety aspects and remote monitoring and remote controlling, and you can even have a biomaterial usage, biomaterials, I mean machine made up of biomaterials. So these are the these advancements make made the heart lung machine even more to the great up to the mark, so that the doctors works become very easier to do surgery. So the doctors also came to know what are the else we can have a further study, and they also get to know what are the different type of heart disease, and they do training on the particular treatment, so and so on. So these are the fifth point, that is research and education. So with this technology, because of these technology present in these days, that means the machine with so many features, the doctors and nursing and the paramedical students have been like a very much opportunity to have to read or to study or to do trial and everything with this machines. So these are the great impact on heart lung machine. Yes, thank you.